Nutrition. Nutrition may be defined as science of food and its relationship to health. It is concerned primarily with the part played by nutrients in the body, growth, development, and maintenance. Classification of food. First type, by origin, food of plant origin. Second, food of animal origin. Second classification is by chemical composition, in that 5 subtypes. First, protein. Second, carbohydrate. Third, fats. Fourth, minerals. And fifth, vitamins. Third classification by predominant function, 3 subtypes. First, bodybuilding foods. Second, energy giving foods. And third, protective foods. In first subtype, bodybuilding foods, which food are included? They are milk, fish, egg, meat, poultry, nuts, oil seeds. Second subtype, energy giving foods, in that cereals, sugar, root, tubers, fats, oils. Third subtype, protective foods, in that vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. Fourth classification is by nutritive value, in that first, cereals and millets. Second, animal food. Third, miscellaneous food. Fourth, pulses. Fifth, sugar and jaggery. Sixth, fats and oil. Seventh, spices. Eighth, vegetable. Ninth, nuts and oil seeds. And 10th, fruits. Nutrients are organic and inorganic complexes contained in food. Types of nutrients: micronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats. These three often called proximate principles because they form the main bulk of the food. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Proteins should be given 10 to 15%, fats 15 to 30%, carbs 50 to 80%. Dietary fibers. Definition: dietary fiber is remnants of the eatable part of the edible parts of the plant that are resistant to digestion and absorption. In humans, all small intestine with complete or partial fermentation in human large intestine. It include polysaccharide, oligosaccharides, lignin, and associated plant substances. Functions of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber exhibit one or more of the lactation, that is fecal bulking, softening, increased frequency, and or regularity. Benefits of dietary fibers: improve digestion, control blood sugar level, reduce cholesterol level in the hyperlipidemic indicated, prevent constipation, helps to reduce weight. Types of dietary fiber: soluble, insoluble. Soluble dietary fibers dissolve in water and forms a gel-like substance. Example: oats, apples, carrot. Insoluble dietary fibers does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to the stool. Example: whole wheat, leafy green vegetables, nuts. Carbohydrates. Third major component, which is the main source of energy, it will provide 4 calorie per gram. Chemical composition: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, often termed as saccharides, that is sugar. Types: short chain, long chain. Short chain subtypes: monosaccharides, disaccharides. Long chain: polysaccharides. Short chain subtypes: monosaccharide, second one is disaccharide. In monosaccharide, three subtypes: glucose, fructose, galactose. Glucose, example is sugar in blood. Fructose, example is fruits. Galactose, example is milk. Disaccharide: sucrose, lactose, maltose. Sucrose means table sugar. Lactose, example is milk sugar. Maltose, malt sugar, barley, wheat. Long chain, that is polysaccharides. Subtypes: starch, glycogen, cellulose. First one, starch, example potato, rice, wheat. Second, glycogen, example stored in liver and muscle. Glycogen is stored in liver and muscles. Third, cellulose, dietary fiber present in vegetables and fruits. Functions of carbs: gives main source of energy. Second one, oxidation of fat. Third, functioning of nervous system. Fourth, role in muscle action. Fifth, main source of energy for muscle work. Sixth, role in liver. These include detoxifying action, regulating influencing of protein and fat metabolism. Next, source of energy for heart muscle. Next, promote growth of desirable bacteria. Last, biosynthesis of amino acids. Proteins, complex organic nitrogenous compound. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen sulfur. Proteins differ from carbohydrates and fats because they contain nitrogen. Essential amino acids. Proteins are made up of small units called as amino acids. There are 20 amino acids in each protein, out of which 9 are essential because the body can't synthesize them in amount corresponding to its name. Therefore, they must be obtained from dietary fiber. Essential dietary fibers are leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, histidine, tryptophan, phenylalanine. Non-essential amino acids are arginine, purine, glutamic acid, glycine, proline. A protein said to be biologically complete if it contains all the amino acids. If one or more essential amino acids are lacking, the protein is said to be biologically incomplete. Function of protein: first, bodybuilding. Second, repair and maintenance of body tissue. Third, maintenance of osmotic pressure. Fourth, synthesis of certain substances like antibodies, plasma protein, Hb, enzyme, hormones, and coagulation factors. Fifth, help to maintain the immune mechanism of the body. Protein requirement: according to ICMR, that is India Council Medical Research, 0.80 gram per day per kg body weight per day. Assessment of protein in nutritional status: mid-arm circumference. Second, serum albumin, that should be 3.5 gram per dl. Thank you.